Why does my budgie bob his tail? The budgie, also known as a budgie, is a type of parakeet that has a lifespan typically of 5 to 10 years. They are sociable birds that love to communicate, so they make good pets, though it's ideal to have them in pairs, at least, though they tend to be healthy. You may find that your budgie someday develops issues that lead them to bob their tail. Why would a budgie bird bob its tail? Budgies will do different movements with their tail depending on if they are excited, happy, or something else entirely. Sometimes it isn't a cause for concern. However, if you notice that your budgie is making a bobbing motion with their tail, this is something you should have a vet look into. Since birds do not have a diaphragm between their chest and stomach, like many other species do. They have muscles near their tails that keep their lungs to expand. Normally, they have no problem with this, but if you see tail bobbing, it can mean that they are having trouble breathing. This is especially the case if they're doing the motion repeatedly, repetitively. The tail muscles work harder when the budgie has labored breathing, and this is what causes the bobbing to occur. The early stages of the movement may not be noticeable, so it's important to pay attention to any little changes in your bird's behavior. Reach out to a vet right away when you notice these signs. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more about it. Thank you for viewing.
This is the life, boom, 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 boom. This is the life, boom, 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 boom. Bohemian.